Did you know that AI is expected to generate $19.9 trillion for the economy by the year 2030? Hello? Did you hear what I just said? Trillions of dollars.
I can make that much money in 5 seconds.
AI is out here making money for people that know how to use it. Like how I made $1,100 in just one day by asking ChatGPT one single question. Oh yeah, more on that later. But if you're not using ChatGPT the right way, you're basically letting money burn. And newsflash, most people are using ChatGPT wrong. But don't worry, I'm about to share with you a little known feature on ChatGPT that's going to change how you use ChatGPT and get you on the track to making money online.
I will not be rich.
And you want to watch this video all the way through because I'm also going to share with you how you can use ChatGPT to start making money on Pinterest. Yes, that underrated platform that's making some people rich while other people are just looking at images. So if you're ready to get into this moneymaker, you know what you got to do. Hit that algorithm in the face and let YouTube know that you like money making content by hitting the thumbs up button. And also, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications. And if you are new here, make sure you drop a comment so I can say, hey. But now that we got that out of the way, let's get into this video of genius ways to make money using ChatGPT and Pinterest. Let's go. All right, so many of us are already familiar with ChatGPT's main chat feature. You ask it a question, it gives you an answer. Yeah. But have you heard of Explore GPT? This is a game changer. So it's right there on the ChatGPT platform. Remember, we can use this for free. This feature gives you access to specialized tools within the free ChatGPT that we're already using. But this is like a level up from using the regular ChatGPT because we can use Explore GPTs to tailor ChatGPT for whatever our specific goal is. So today, we're using Pinterest Optimization GPT. This specialized GPT will help us get our Pinterest pins in front of more people because it knows Pinterest like the back of his hand. AI doesn't have hands, but you know. Here's why this matters in our money-making process. Pinterest is more than just a mood board platform. It's a visual search engine where people plan to shop and spend money. As you can see, there are visual images on here, but the visual images link to specific websites or even products that you make. So with the right pins and strategy, you can put your products in front of buyers and make money while you're sleeping, out with friends, or binge watching your favorite TV shows. Listen, Squid Game is back, y'all. So for this example, I'm uploading the cover to my ebook, The Ultimate Blogging Playbook. This may look familiar to those of you that are in my blogging blueprint course because this product is exclusively available in that course, but I wanted to use this as an example of a product. But let's say you created a digital product like a journal or a planner like we did in part 1 of this series, or even the AI generated ebook that we created using Designer in a previous video. Upload the image to Pinterest Optimization GPT and then tell it what the product is and who your target audience is. For example, I asked, can you create a Pinterest pin or a description that highlights and helps sell my ebook, The Ultimate Blog Playbook? I want it to appeal to millennial women and includes the fundamental steps of creating a blog that makes money. So I wanted to give it some more information about what my actual product was because yeah, it can read the cover, but it doesn't know what's inside of it unless I tell it. And boom! ChatGPT not only creates an attention-grabbing title and description, but also ideas for the visuals to make your pin stand out. So for step 2, we're going to head over to Canva, and in the search bar, we are going to type in mockup book. Canva has a bunch of free templates for this, and you can upload the image of your cover. On Canva, you can find the Upload Files button on the left side, and you can access your files from your computer to upload. So it can be the cover that ChatGPT suggested, or like I prefer to do, I took my own cover and dropped that image directly into the Canva book mockup. Now, don't just take the template that Canva suggested and just plug your book in there and think that you're going to sell it like that.
Okay.
No, you got to make it yours. So you can change the colors, the fonts, add bold text, a call to action like start your blogging journey today, whatever you want them to do. Have fun with your design and create that scroll stopping pin that will sell that product. Just make sure that the template that you choose is 1000 by 1500 px. That's the standard for Pinterest because we want a vertical image that will show off our product so people get interested and buy it. Once your image is ready, download it as a PNG, and then we move on to step 3, posting our scroll stopping pin to Pinterest. To create a pin on Pinterest, go to create pin, then upload that PNG image file from your computer. This part is going to be really quick and easy because remember, we already used Pinterest optimization GPT to create that title and that description. So we're just going to copy the title and copy the description and the hashtags. Yes, hashtags are very, very helpful on Pinterest. A lot of people overlook them, but use those hashtags. And don't forget to add your web link to your pin. Customers have to know where to find your product. What Pinterest does is it allows people to click on that image and take them to wherever we are selling our product. I do this a lot with my own products. So for example, my audiobook narration mini course, I have an image of that will entice people to click it. And when they click it, they can buy the product directly. And since I'm a verified merchant on Pinterest, I can even tag my products to make the buying process faster and easier so that people can just click the image and buy the product directly. This Pinterest strategy is such a smart way of getting your products in front of buyers without spending hours figuring out SEO or spending money on ads. But I want you to keep in mind that Pinterest is a search engine. So this is a super powerful platform of driving traffic to your online store or to your blog where you're selling your products. In my blogging blueprint course, I teach you how to take a deep dive into Pinterest strategies, from creating viral pins to setting up your own blog, which is a really smart and affordable way to start selling your digital products on your own platform. Because I'm telling y'all, Instagram and the rest of these platforms get real finicky. It's really important to own your own platform. Now, here's the cherry on top. Did you know ChatGPT can create an entire marketing plan to help you sell your products fast? Here's an example. I asked ChatGPT to generate a strategy for promoting this ebook. It gave me step-by-step instructions for social media posts, email campaigns, and even collaborations. But here's the thing, ChatGPT is only as good as the prompts that you give it. If you don't ask the right questions, you're not going to get the gold mine results. That's why I created a guide that includes 60 AI prompts to make ChatGPT work and make money for you. It's only $7. It includes everything from questions that generate full plans to make money online to the exact prompt that earns me over $1,100 in one day within the first week. So if you want to speed up the process and start making money now using ChatGPT, use my link down below to my 60 AI prompts for making money online. Trust me, it'll save you hours of trial and error trying to figure out this whole ChatGPT thing. All right, y'all, that was another genius way to make money online using ChatGPT and Pinterest. But I want to hear from you. Of the things in this video, was there something that stands out to you? Was there something that you didn't know before that you know now? Also, those 60 prompts that I have, a lot of you have been grabbing those. If you were one of the people that grabbed those, let me know in the comments. And if you're just starting out, let me know what types of ebooks you would generate. Let's discuss it all in the comments. But if this video blew your mind, let me and the YouTube algorithm know by hitting the thumbs up button. Also, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications so you can be notified when I drop a new video. Now, if you like this whole ChatGPT money-making thing, part 3 of this video will be coming out soon. But in the meantime, I suggest you check out this video. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and